everybody, we are on page 282 and we're doing one of the easiest pieces in these supplementary solos, Chant Arabe, which means Arabian song. And we don't know who wrote it, but it was a folk song that lasted for hundreds of years, really popular. And the left hand is just kind of a drone. So you can hear this, imagine on like a hurdy-gurdy, would be probably like a street music, something that musicians would play in the streets. The A section is for 8 measures, and the left hand only does this locking that fifth. And then in measure 9, we go down an octave 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, and then back da capo al fine. So then you will go back to the beginning and end at measure 8 where it says fine. So right hand has your dotted quarter and eighth note rhythms. I'll tell you a heads up that the hardest part is measure 15 and 16, the last 2 measures. It's just suddenly the right hand starts to play all eighth notes in a new pattern, and the left is doing something a little different. So all of a sudden, a piece that seemed really easy is a little harder. So if you want to go ahead and add a little retard, it's perfectly good to do that. It sounds natural to add a little retard, and that'll give you a little bit more time to think about what's happening there. So I would say pick whichever hand you want. Right hand is in an A minor 5-finger. Both hands are. And right hand, good news, it never moves out of an A minor 5-finger pattern. So it's quite sight readable. Give it a try. 1, 2, and 3. Forte. So just make sure if you do add the retard in 15, 16, that you come back to a tempo at measure 1 again when you take the da capo. Likewise, right at the fine, that's another typical spot that a performer can definitely take the liberty of adding a retard if you want to.